Hello everyone. Today, we will learn step by step how to sign up for the cryptocurrency futures exchange, Binance. Please follow along slowly. First, we will learn how to create a Binance account. Please install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. To create an account, tap the Sign Up button. Please create your account using either your email address or mobile phone number. After checking the boxes for the terms and conditions below, tap Continue. When a verification code is sent to your email or phone number, please enter the verification code. Next, create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Next, we will register an inviter. Please make sure to tap Yes. You will then be able to enter a referral ID. If you enter BB333 here, you can receive up to a 20% trading fee discount on Binance, as well as a sign-up bonus. So please be sure to enter it before completing your registration. Next, we will learn how to complete KYC verification. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, you must complete KYC verification. First, please select the country where you currently reside. Next, you will need to proceed with identity verification. Below, you will see the available document types for verification. Please choose the ID document that is most convenient for you. I will proceed using a passport as an example. Please prepare your ID and tap Take Pictures. Now, align your passport with the camera frame, and take a photo of the information page. Next, please proceed with facial verification. Align your face within the camera frame, move your face, and blink your eyes as instructed. Once this is done, the KYC verification step will be completed, and a review process of about 1 hour will begin. When the verification is complete, your verification status will change to verified. Finally, we will learn how to set up Google Authenticator. On the Binance home screen, tap the Binance icon in the top left corner, then tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. To set up security, tap Security, and then select Authenticator app. Tap Enable. After completing email or phone verification, you will be taken to the Authenticator setup screen. Here, you will see a 16-digit key provided by Binance. Please copy this 16-digit key. Then install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Open Google Authenticator. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner, and select Enter a setup key. For code name, enter Binance. For your key, paste the 16-digit key that you copied from the Binance app. Tap Add. And a 6-digit code with the name Binance will be generated in Google Authenticator. Please copy this 6-digit code, then return to the Binance app. Tap Next, and paste the 6-digit code into the Authenticator app code field. Once completed, Google Authenticator will be activated. Today, we learned step by step how to sign up for the cryptocurrency futures exchange, Binance. If you found anything difficult or have any questions while watching the video, please feel free to leave a comment anytime. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe and like. I'll be back with even better content next time.